Hi, I'm Swati Srikumar and I will be taking the lesson Units and Measurements. This is the first lesson of the course for physics. Now moving on. What is a unit? It is a reference standard which is internationally chosen to measure any physical quantity. That is, measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with a certain basic, arbitrarily chosen, internationally accepted reference standard called as a unit. Now there are two types, the fundamental or basic units and derived units. Units for the fundamental or base quantity are called as fundamental or base units, and the units for all other physical quantities can be expressed as a combination of the base units, and these are called as derived units. Now, there are system of units, and what is it exactly? A complete set of such basic and fundamental units and the derived units is called as a system of units. The different systems of units are CGS, which is centimeter, gram and second, FPS, foot, pound and second, MKS, meter, kilogram and second. The FPS is also called as the British system. Now here centimeter, foot and meter is used for the measurement of length, gram, pound and kilogram for mass, second is used for time. Now coming to Système Internationale units, which is SI unit. This is internationally system which is accepted. This system of units is currently used everywhere. It was developed and recommended by General Conference on Weights and Measures in 1971 for international usage in scientific, technical, industrial and commercial work. Now coming to the basic units in SI system, there are 7 which are length, the unit is meter and it is denoted as small m, mass which is kilogram, the unit is kilogram and it is denoted as kg. Time, the unit is second and is denoted as small s. Electric current, the unit is ampere and denoted as capital A. Thermodynamic temperature, it is Kelvin, the unit is Kelvin and is denoted as capital K. Amount of substance, the unit is mole and is denoted as mole, MOL. Luminous intensity, the unit is candela and is denoted as small c and d. There are 2 more basic units in SI system, which are plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle is the ratio of length of arc to the radius, that is length of arc to the radius, which is d theta is equal to ds by dr. The unit is radian. Coming to solid angle, it is the ratio of the intercepted area of the spherical surface described above the apex O as the center to the square of its radius. This area, which is d omega, is dA by r square, dA by r square. The unit is steradian. Now, how do we measure length? A meter scale is used for length from 10 raised to minus 3 meter to 100 meter. A vernier caliper can measure to an accuracy of 10 raised to minus 4 meter. A screw gauge and spherometer can measure up to 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Now this was for lengths which can be measured using scale or any instrument. Coming to very large distances, parallax method. This method is used to measure very large distances like distance of a planet or a star from Earth, which cannot be measured directly by a meter scale. And what is parallax? It is the change in the position of an object with change in observation point. Now, the distance between 2 points of observation is called as the basis. Parallax angle or parallactic angle is the angle between the two directions from the two viewing points. Now, we can see here that the parallax method is used. A and B are the two viewing points and S is the object, a far away object which is observed. Now here D is the distance from A to S and B to S. There is an angle theta between the viewing directions of AS and BS, and the distance between A and B is small b. Now by using parallax method, D is equal to B divided by the angle, and this is the formula. Now, measurement of very small lengths. Very small size like that of a molecule is calculated or measured by instruments like electronic microscope, which is 0.6 angstrom. Now, special lengths used for short and large lengths are 1 Fermi, this is 1 F, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter, 1 angstrom, which is 10 raised to minus 10 meter, 1 astronomical unit, which is 1 AU, equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance of the Sun from the Earth. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. What is a light year? A light year is the distance that light travels with velocity of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second in 1 year. Now, measurement of mass. The SI unit is kilogram and is denoted as kg. For atoms and molecules, unified atomic mass unit is used, as the kilogram will be an inconvenient unit. 1 unified atomic mass unit, 1U, is 1/12th of the mass of an atom of carbon-12 isotope, including the mass of electrons, which will be equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Coming to the measurement of time, we now use an atomic standard of time, which is based on the periodic vibrations of cesium atom. This is the basis of the cesium clock or the atomic clock. This is very accurate and so preferred by all. So that was the end of lesson 1. Hope the basics of units and measurements are clear. Now the next chapter will be about dimensions and dimensional analysis. Thank you.